trash bag. And you gotta put these boys to work. Come on, honey.
What about this?
I got it. Come on, Ethan.
Mama, I got it.
No, I got it. I'm gonna help.
Okay, clean this room.
All right, come on. You guys gotta learn how to clean. Come on, Ethan. Put those toys over there. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Put them in the toy box. Thank you, babe. What? Throw it on the floor. Come on, put it in the toy box. Put it in the toy box.
Yeah, I cleaned it.
Look, put your toys in here. Put all your toys in here. Come on. We're just gonna do it like this. We're gonna put this on the door so it can be easier. Thank you. And that's how you do it. Throw it.
Sorry.
What you say?
Sorry.
What you saying sorry for? You cursed.
No. I'm not being cursed.
All right, come on, Ethan. Put this stuff in here. Ethan just looking. Come on, it's time to clean up your room. I don't understand what happened in here. I don't understand what y'all be doing. He's just looking at one side. Come on, Ethan. Put this. Look, sweetheart, honey, pick this stuff up right here and put it in the trash bag like your brother. Come on. If it ain't none in there, go ahead and trash it, honey. Come on, Ethan. Put those toys over there. All your toys in the toy box. Yes. Pick all this stuff up. I'm not leaving out of here until this room is clean.
Okay. Bye. I told you this. I'm gonna clean this room.
Ethan, what you doing? Put the toys in the toy box. Come on, you chilling. Come on. Put those toys in that toy box. No, sir. It's not time to play. Put them up. No, sir. That I made a homemade ham sandwich that I made. And I got like some ham, cheese, mayo, and some lettuce on here.
Where'd Ty go? Oh, Ty go.
Let me see.
Hey, I don't know where the go is.
No, I don't know. Where do you to go? You gotta find a car. Find a car or something.
My car?
I wanted some chips with it, but I really didn't. So yeah, I'm just eating a ham sandwich. This is my lunch. We actually all ate little ham sandwiches. The kids had like a kid ham sandwich, and Ethan was eating his candy for Easter, and I guess he look at it like one of the eyeballs are missing. So I guess he really didn't like it, and it actually looked like this. But I'm gonna try to put this up because the candy will be everywhere.
Look, this.
Perfect. Yes, you got it.
It's rocket boost.
Yes.
What? It's the way what the?
Oh, blast off. Oh, it's a rocket. Okay. So I was on live earlier, and I definitely wanted to come on, jump on here, and vlog because I am frying some fish. So I was like, why not vlog it instead of just be cooking? I want to show you guys like the kitchen because my fiance kind of not remodel it, but he definitely decorated and it looked really nice. But I'm trying to see if I just want to show it to you guys or do I want to do like a whole apartment tour because, honey, he decorated this apartment out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Ethan. Yes, sir, Ethan. And, oh yeah, so what is it? You about to go upstairs with your dad. What? One kid fussing, one kid walks in. Yes, sir.
Mommy, one little box.
Huh?
One little, huh? I know it. Okay.
So, oh my God, guys, I'm trying to, what's, Ethan, you just ate. What are you, move back, let me see.
Now don't put that in the refrigerator.
Huh?
Don't put that in the refrigerator.
I'm propping them up.
Don't put that in the refrigerator then.
Why then? Here. You just in here.
Mama don't want to.
Okay.
Milk it on the pot. See? On the pot. On the pot. At neighbor house. At neighbor house. I'm not hungry.
Okay, wait. So wait until it finished.
Okay.
I would hope that Ethan went upstairs with his dad. But no, he's right here. But I was seeing that I had ran out of grease and I wanted to show you guys. And so I had to use the rest of the grease that we had, which was a little bit. And I had to add some olive oil, which is right. So I ran out of this. Can you guys see? I ran out of this. And I started using this olive oil. Well, I mixed it, and I never did that before. I thought the fish was going to be, like, messed up, but nah, girl. It's definitely up in here cooking. It's definitely cooking, and it's looking all good. I think I'm going to have some eggs with it. I wish we had some salsa. I like to add salsa to my eggs. Guys, I am so tired. Like, I'm having shortness of breath. I feel like my blood pressure is high. I really don't know when my blood pressure is high, but something is weird going on. And I'm also getting like tired, but I do want to probably take the kids to the park because it definitely feels nice outside. And I want to like run around with myself and stuff. Well, not run around, but like just enjoy outside. Like I want to go to a nice park and lay a blanket down on the grass, and I just want to lay there. And if I fall asleep, it is what it is. But you guys, comment below on some nice movies to watch on Netflix because we have Netflix, and I really don't know what kind of nice movies to watch, and not episodes, but like shows and stuff that we could talk about and stuff, you know. Yes, Ethan. So yesterday, let me see. Yesterday was Josh's birthday, and we actually went to Twin Peaks. I didn't vlog like that because I was dealing. I don't even know what I be talking about. I was definitely not feeling well. Like I was getting nauseous, and my back was hurting so freaking bad last night, guys. My back was hurting so bad. Like I wanted to cry. I didn't want to ruin his birthday, like, cause nowadays, like, my pregnancy, I just be wanna, lay in bed. Honestly, I don't be wanna do anything, and I'm just so happy and blessed that my fiance is pretty much helping me out around the house. Like, he cleaned the kitchen for me. It was my job to do the laundry, like fold clothes, but we got a whole lot of clothes that we have to wash, and we don't have a wash and dryer connection. Boy, we don't have a wash and dryer connection, so we would have to go down the street or to his mom's house. Stop, Ethan. I was looking for that remote. Y'all is not about to double team. Alright, so I'm about to take a little taste of this fish. I gotta use this again, man. We're about to see how it tastes. Let's see. Seasoned just right. When your food is so good and you do that dance, like, hey.